Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to log out of Instagram on a device that is away from you. First of all, open up the Instagram app. Once you get into its app, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then, from here, tap on Menu from the top right corner. It will take you to Settings and Privacy. Now, from Settings, tap on Account Center. From the Account Center, go into Password and Security options. Once you get into Password and Security, click on the Where You're Logged In option. And then, you will find all of your accounts from here. You can choose any of the following accounts from here to see its login activity. Once you select any account, then you will be able to see its login activity. And then, you can select devices to log out your account from. You will see all the devices it's active on. So simply click on the Logout button to log out your account. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.